how to customize energy saver improvements in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to fine-tune when and how power-saving features kick in. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on System. From there, click on Power and Battery. At this point, click on Energy Saver to expand this section. In the next step, click on the drop-down next to Always Use Energy Saver. Following this, select On, Off, or Adaptive depending on how you want it to behave. Once done, if you'd rather trigger it based on battery percentage, drag the slider to set your preferred threshold. From here, look for lower screen brightness when using Energy Saver and toggle it on for extra savings. At this stage, scroll up and click on Energy Recommendations for additional suggested tweaks based on your specific device. Keep in mind, choosing Adaptive lets Windows activate energy saving automatically during lighter tasks, without dimming your screen the way the standard mode does. Finally, close the settings window once you've customized Energy Saver to match how you use your device. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize Energy Saver improvements in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.